We gonna eat today or what?
Bob and Tom aren't here yet with the entrees, Uncle June.
When were they supposed to come?
2 o'clock. I told you 5 minutes ago. Here. Why don't we start on the macaroni? Everybody, come on. Bolognese has meat, obviously. The marinara doesn't. And Barb will be here with the chicken parm and the veal pizzaiolo.
So, Anthony, how'd you guys do against Del Barton last season?
Not so good. We lost both times.
It's a line coach.
Star Ledger says Del Barton's going to be even tougher this coming year with that Chinese kid.
Your father never had the makings of a varsity athlete.
Oh, what the hell's with you?
What?
It's not true. I led it in football.
You never played college ball.
College. Those guys from Seton Hall were 7 feet tall, some of them. Took an academic leave anyway.
Small hands. That was your problem.
Yeah, Daddy always said that.
That's not the point. What is it with you and this obsession with this varsity crap? The other day you said it. And when I was a kid, you told the girl cousins the same thing. It was very hurtful.
Tony, relax. It's not a big deal.
It's undermining. And it's the kind of stuff I'm teaching my kids not to do. So I don't want to hear it again. End of subject. Honey, pass me the record, please.
Hello? In
Hey.
here. Hi, sorry we're late. The Tappan Zee was a nightmare.
Yeah, checking the trucks again.
Well, sit down and dig into this medley of pastas that Janice whipped up.
How you doing, Uncle June?
I don't like tardiness.
Let me unwrap these.
This looks great.
Thank you.
So coming down, I heard on the radio, looks like the Jets are going to grab that kid from Tulsa, that tight end.
We still get those season tickets, big brother?
All I know is you never had the makings of a varsity athlete.
Oh, son of a bitch!
What?
Did I just tell you not to say that again?
Say what?
You don't like the way I talk? Get out of my house.
Oh, here we go. Tony?
Now, Tony, shit. Get your coat, will